ladies and gentlemen. I'm reviewing a product that I have had for 10 years, and it's the Wonder Washer. It's a little small washing machine that you can wash very small loads. It looks like a bucket. This is the top of it. And this is how it looks inside. It's a little gross inside because I had it a long time and I'm having a hard time cleaning it. So please excuse that. So this Wonder Washer is a great little machine. This machine is 10 years old. I brought this machine for my daughter when she had my oldest grandson. He's 10 years old. And she wanted to be able to wash some small loads. This machine is great for apartment living. If you live in apartments where you can't have your own washing machine and you want to at least be able to wash your underwear or your baby's clothes and stuff like that, this is a great machine. I think at the time I paid $50 for this machine. And here are the controls. It goes from 3 minutes all the way to 15 minutes. It has a standard wash and then it has a gentle wash. So I'm going to show you how this machine works. Okay, it looks like a toy. That's what I was telling myself from the beginning. That's not going to work because it looks like a toy. And it's not a toy, but it's made of plastic. I'm going to show you. This is the base of the machine, and it's a little grimy looking too. Sorry. But this is a very old machine. You would not think. Now it says wash cycle here is about 14 minutes, but it says 15 minutes here. It says 15 minutes. So I'm going to show you guys how this machine works. They still sell this machine. They still sell this machine. I've seen it on eBay in different places for $80. I think that's a little steep for this little tiny machine. But as you can see, it lasts a long time. And when she was finished with it, she didn't need it no more. She gave it to me. So it's a nice machine. I'm going to show you how it's working. So what are the disadvantages of this machine? You can only wash very small loads. And after you use the machine, you have to rinse. You can put new water in and rinse it and spin it again, wash it again with the clear water, or you could just pour it in the sink and rinse it, and that's usually what I do. Another disadvantage is that this machine does not wring your clothes. A lot of the newer ones, not this brand, but some of the other brands, and they're bigger, they have a spin on the other side. It's like a twin tub. So this doesn't do that. You would have to wring it out yourself. So if you have arthritis, any kind of problems with your hands, this wouldn't be the machine for you. But other than that, this is a great machine. I'm going to load the clothes in. You can't put too many in. I'm going to pour a bucket of water in there and then put the detergent. 2 tops in there. And the rest are like underwear. And I'm going to take this Dollar Tree laundry detergent. Sprinkle a little bit in there because you don't need much because this is a small machine. So that's my bucket of water I'm going to pour in there. This machine has a fill line and you don't want to go above that fill line because the water and soap will be all over the place. I hope you can see it. So I actually can put a little more water that's left in here. And that's all I'm going to put. So I'm going to put this to 15 minutes. top on and let it finish. Machine has stopped. Again, this is the Wonder Washer, and look how soapy it is. So I'm going to go and pour this in my sink, and I'm going to rinse it out there. Meet you in the kitchen. So I'm going to pour this bucket in there. Hose. See, the water is dirty. It would be even more dirtier than that. It's pretty good with a little machine like that, right? I'm going to rinse it. And then I'm going to put some water in there to soak it a little bit. Well, not really soak, but, you know, try to get all the soap out of it. I will come back and show you how clean my things turned out. I have some underwear in here, so I'm not showing that. I just did. So, I'll be right back. I'm very cold. And excuse my phone. Someone is calling me at the wrong time. They really are. So please excuse this. This machine is great. If you have your own machine at home, this may not be the machine for you. Again, if you live in apartment living, this is perfect. If you want to do, because it does real small loads, you may have to do 2-3 loads. It depends on how you want to use this machine. It is great. Lasted 10 years. That's a plus for $50. It more than paid for itself. I also want to show you how easy it is to store this machine. All you have to do this is kind of difficult to do, honestly, but pick it up like that, put it inside your machine, and just pour it in there. On it. It's easy, right? You can put it in your closet, anywhere. Now back to this detergent. I have been using this off and on for a while. It is good, but sometimes you need an extra additive like Clorox too, and for me that makes it not such a great bargain. What works well for me is to use this and put a little dish detergent. Sometimes you can use it by itself. I like to use this also for you know, cleaning different things in my bathroom, tub, stuff like that. So that makes it a good price, because it is 24 ounces and it's $1, and that's a pretty good buy. So this is the end of my review. If you would like to see more, please leave your comment below. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I thank you all for watching.